my friends, and welcome to the next video of the Kotlin beginner course. In this video we will check together how to use ToggleButton. For this we need to add a ToggleButton from the palette and from the buttons categories. Then I'm gonna connect this ToggleButton to the constraints, and we will use this text view as well, so I'm gonna keep it here into the screen. And of course, if you don't know how to use a text view, I have a good video about it, and you can click on the link top here somewhere and open that video and watch it. So let me increase a bit the text size of the text view. I think that's enough. Now let's add a new button, a normal button here, just to compare ToggleButton with the normal button. For those who don't know how to use button, I'm gonna put the link of the video about button here and to the top of the screen, and you can click on it and watch this video to be familiar with the button. Let's see this on emulator without writing any code regarding to this. Okay, I have one ToggleButton here and one button here. As you see, when I'm pressing the button, there is no change, but the ToggleButton has two states: either it's off or on. So the differences between these two type of button is this. In reality, we use the buttons to ring the bells, and as long as we are pressing the button, the bell will ring. But we are using the toggle buttons to switch on or off the lights in our houses. Okay, now let's go back and write codes to use the toggle button. I don't need this button, so I'm gonna delete it. And the ID of this toggle button is toggle button, and the text view is text view. So that's it. Let me go to Kotlin file. First of all, as always, we have to initialize the widgets. I'm gonna call the toggle button TGL equals to find the view by IDs, and the type of it is a toggle button, and the address of its ID is here, resources.id.ToggleButton. Then I'm gonna call the text view txt, and again find view by ID, text view type, and r.id.textView. Okay, now I'm gonna set the function setOnClickListener for the toggle button, and here I'm gonna check the state of the states of the toggle button, either it's on or off. So if the toggle button dot text equals to on, do something for me, and if again equals to off, do something else for me. So what to do? Here I want to change the color of the text view based on the toggle button. So txt dot set text color, and here I can write color dot maybe blue, and for the state of off, txt dot set text color dot maybe green. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, it's on, and the hello world is blue as I mentioned here, and it's off and the hello world will be green. Okay my friends, that was everything about toggle buttons. I will upload the codes into my GitHub, and I will put the link of this in the description below, and you can click on it and have the codes. If you find any value in this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are new in my channel, please remember to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be aware about new videos. Thank you for your support. See you in next videos. Bye bye.